Hey up everyone, I'm Rob Howitt from RJH Motorbike Training. Our channel uploads live lessons and we have some very happy viewers as a result. We have followers not only in the UK but across the world and communicate regularly with them through the channel. So please do comment, ask questions and we will always get back to you. We specialise in showcasing taster lessons
before you commit to the manoeuvre.
CBT tests,
lifesaver before you
Module
actually
1
commit.
training,
Good
Module 2
lifesaver.
training, advanced workshops,
Okay.
instructor training,
What we're going to do then is a
as
hill
well
start
as some
for you.
product
Yeah.
reviews
Hi everyone.
of the latest
fitted
bike-related gadgets.
Senna 10C Evo to my shoey knee.
We also like to let our hair down from time to time with some really exciting trips across Europe. Our videos and top tips for riding will aid you to achieve your goals, but also save you money. All we ask in return is you subscribe, like, comment and share our channel. See you soon. Bye for now.